Today I'm going to teach you how to create a wiki on GitHub. A wiki is a great way to document your project, provide user guides, or organize important information for your team or community in a structured, easy-to-navigate format. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your repositories and projects. Next, navigate to the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to create your wiki. This is the project where all your documentation will live, so make sure you've selected the right one. Once you're inside your chosen repository, look at the top toolbar. You'll see several tabs like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. Click on the tab labeled Wiki. This is where all the magic happens for creating and managing your project documentation. Now, if this is your first time setting up a wiki for this repository, you'll see a prompt that says Create the first page. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the wiki editor where you can start building your documentation from scratch. At the top of the editor, you'll notice a text field that currently says Home. This is the default title for your wiki's main page. Delete Home and type in your preferred wiki name. This could be something like Project Overview, Getting Started, or whatever best describes the purpose of your wiki. This title will appear at the top of your wiki page and helps visitors understand what they're looking at. Below the title field, you'll see a larger text area where you can enter your content. This is where you'll add all the information, instructions, or details you want to include on this page. Once you've finished typing your content, you can optionally add a message in the commit message field below the editor to describe what changes you've made. This is helpful for tracking edits over time. When you're ready, click Save Page to publish your wiki. Now, if you want to expand your wiki by adding more pages, head back to the wiki home. On the right sidebar, you'll see a button that says New Page. Click on it and you'll be taken to another editor screen. Here you can enter a name for your new page, like Guide, Troubleshooting, or FAQ. Add your content in the text area, and when you're finished, click Save Page to add this new page to your wiki. And that's it. You've successfully created a wiki on GitHub, complete with multiple pages if you chose to add them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.